Hi. In this video I'm going to be going over installing the macro, little program that enables you to use the tool offsets and basically tool changing. So as you're running G-code, when it finishes going through a particular operation with the tool that's in there, the computer will stop and tell you to change the tool. When you change the tool, you click cycle start and it goes on to the next one. Kind of like automated. Yeah, obviously not an automatic tool changer, but because you're the tool changer, but it's just a matter of you'll see it flash on the screen. I think maybe it comes up on here or something. All right. Okay, so the first thing I need to do in installing this macro is let's read the instruction sheet here. This is actually made by Sam at CNC 4XR7. You can go check out his videos. I got this information from him. I think he's got it up on his tool macro video. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with installing the spindle tool set file. We're going to copy and paste it into the Mach 3 folder where you see the 1024 set file, so that's in the right place. Okay, so the first step is to and tool and spindle set. So I'm going to select this and Control C for copy, and then I'm going to go to let's see, I'm going to go to Windows, then go to Mach 3 and 1024.set. Let's see. Do you see this 1024 dots? Okay, so it looks like it's supposed to be right here. So I'm already in the right folder. It's Mach 3. So I'm just gonna go Control V. Okay, so the next step is to go to View, up on the top bar here, Load Screens. And then we're going to find that file we just put in, which is tool in spindle set. And we're going to click open. And that's it. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is, copy the macro into the macro folder. So I'm going to go to my computer and find the macro, which is right here, and Control copy, and then we're going to find Mach 3 and go to the macro folder, and I guess it would be under Mach 3 mill. Okay, here are all the different macros. So I'll put that in here. Control V. Copy and replace. Don't copy but keep both files. We're going to copy and replace. Before you do that, you might want to make a copy of that file that you're about to replace, just in case you need it, or need to go back to it. But in fact, I might do that myself. I'm probably going to find that file. Let's see. M6 start M1S. Little disk. M6 start.m1s. Okay, so we'll find that file in Mach 3 under mill, depending upon whether you're using a mill or some other macros. They have mills, turn, and plasma, depending upon which one you're using, of course. I'm using the mill, so M6 start M1S. So I'm going to control copy. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to control V, put that on my desktop. Go back to the new file that I have, which was on the flash drive, from the thumb drive. Go back there and Control C for copy that. And then go to Windows, let's see, Mach 3. We're going to go to Mach 3, go to Macros, go to Mill 3, and we're going to go Control V. Let's see. Copy and replace. Replace the file in the destination folder with the file you are copying. So we're going to copy and replace. Copy and replace. Okay, so the new M6 start macro is now in place, and we have the old one over here just in case we need to put it back in. One other thing I want to mention after installing the tool change macro, or actually updating it, replacing it, you're going to need to go to Configure, General Configuration, and right here where it says Tool Change, this is selected as Ignore Tool Change. If you don't change this, it won't work. So, and it's not an auto tool changer, so we will select that. Stop spindle, wait for cycle start, and then I will click OK, and then I'll try and close this again. Yes. Let's see. No. Normally, when you open it up, if you don't do that, it will be green right there, showing Ignore Tool Change. So you can't have that as green. Okay, so I'll close this, end session, yes. Then we'll open Mach 3 back up. And we go to the settings page again, and you'll see that it is no longer selected. If you just change this right here, and you close it out or something and come back, it's just going to be, that green light's going to be on again. So I found you had to actually do that for configure, general configure, and select that right there. So, all right.